Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove blank page in Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, as you can see, there is a page which I want to delete but I can't. How I can delete this now? I just have to select the page and hit Ctrl G on keyboard. Then I will get this option, but I need to type here this sign and page together, and once you've done that, just hit enter on your keyboard and just hit close now. And now just we have to click on the delete button on our keyboard, and yeah, as you can see, the page is now deleted. Now second way is very easy. We just have to select the page like this and now hit delete key 2 times like this, and yeah, there you go, the page is now deleted. And now similarly the third way is very easy. This time we have to hit backspace 2 times like this, and the page is now deleted. So these are the 3 ways from which you can remove blank page in Microsoft Word. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.